इंडियन मीडिया बुक के वीडियोस को देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नोटिफिकेशंस पाने के लिए बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करें।
मैं फरहान और आप देख रहे हैं इंडियन मीडिया बुक। कल 4 जून था और 4th कृष्णा राज वडियार का जन्मदिन था, उसको सेलिब्रेट किया गया। उसी के बारे में जानकारी हासिल करने के लिए आज हमारे साथ हैं मिस्टर बालन, एडवोकेट बालन। सर, थैंक यू सो मच कमिंग टू स्टूडियो। वी वांट टू नो अबाउट वडियार फैमिली and his birthday celebration.
Yes, yesterday, June 4th, 2020, ministers paid floral tributes. And administration also celebrated its Jayanti. You see, everywhere we find KR Market, KR Road, KR Circle, KR City. It's all on Krishna Rajendra Wadiyar's family names. The point is whether they deserve it. See, I will divide into three phases. Wadiyar 2, Wadiyar 3 and Wadiyar 4 and thereafter. See, Wadiyar 2 died in the year 1766. The reign was taken over by Rajashekara Ammani, his widow. See, the British invasion of South, particularly Karnataka, the kingdom of Mysore, began in the year 1760. First war of Mysore with British, 1767 to 1769. What was the role of Wadiyar? Zero. Then the second war of Mysore, that was 4 years, 80 to 84. What was the role of Wadiyars? Zero. Rather, in the year 1782, Rajashekara Ammani entered into a treaty with British to betray the people of Mysore by entering into a treaty called Rana Treaty. Then she offers 10 lakhs of rupees to British to destabilize the state of Mysore. That's all on record. Then comes third war of Mysore, 1789 to 92, 3 years. What was the role of Wadiyars? Zero. Rather, they were supporting British. Then comes fourth war of Mysore, when in the year 1799, on 5th May 1799, British dethroned the kingdom of Mysore, Srirangapatna. Then after 2 months, there was a subsidiary treaty between Wadiyar family and British. So you should read, there are about 16 articles, it's available in the archives. You Google it, you get it. See what they say, as long as sun and moon exist, Wadiyar family would be faithful to the British, never they will oppose. That is what is written there. They surrendered Article 2, Article 3, 4, they surrendered revenue collection, they surrendered finance, they surrendered external affairs, they surrendered military just for a palace. The treaty also speaks that the cantonment of Bangalore, that was the exclusive possession of British, in which Wadiyars have no rule. Virtually, the Wadiyars surrendered the entire state of Mysore, then as it was called, to the feet of British, and they were taking commissions. They devastated the people of Mysore state and paying money. See, in this Rajashekara Ammani offered 1 crore or 10 million star pakodas to British, and she was paying lot of money. Where do she got money? These are all looted money that she paid not to the people of Mysore, it was paid to the British invader. Then a puppet regime was installed in the state of Mysore then. This is one phase. What I would like to say is during the period of invasion, Wadiyar family were with British against the interest of this country. Then comes freedom struggle. They celebrated his birthday. He lived for 56 years, born in 1884, died in 1940. The crucial phase of independence struggle. Rajguru, Sukhdev, Bhagat Singh, they were hanged. Thousands, 80,000 martyrs were suffering in Andaman Cellular jails. But this king, he was colluding, sharing tables with British, rubbing shoulders with them, enjoying everything, palace, luxury, very luxurious life, every life, glittering, glamorous life. When he died in the year 1940, it is estimated his wealth, personal family wealth was $400 million. If it is calculated to 2020, it is $7 billion. See, $400 million in the year 1940. Huge money, looted money. That was his capacity. Now they say electricity generation. They say Krishnarajasagara dam building. What is this? The hydro power. Britishers wanted it to loot mining gold in KGF. They wanted it. How could it goes to this man?
So you are trying to tell कि this guy, the Wadiyar family, was doing only ribbon cutting.
Ribbon is symbolic. Ribbon cutting in today's India is okay, sir. Ribbon cutting for a dacoity, ribbon cutting for a invader, ribbon cutting for a looter. That is where I am objecting. You cut ribbon, now also governors cut ribbons. I have no objection. But you are cutting ribbons of a looter, a invader, a dacoit, who hanged Bhagat Singh to death, who they were instrumental in raping our women in India, instrumental in looting all our wealth. You are cutting ribbon. And for that man you are paying tribute now, floral tribute. What he did? Crucial phase of independence struggle. And you were with British, whether he deserves it, that's second phase. The third phase, 1942-1947, crucial phase, 1942, Quit India movement. Mahatma Gandhi's wife died in the jail. Mahatma Gandhi was jailed, followed by him lakhs of Muslims, Hindus, Christians, backward class, Dalits. They were in jail, fight, many were shot dead. What Wadiyars were doing? Most shocking is this, according to me. 1846, on the banks of a Sutlej river, Sikh forces were defeated. Wadiyar sends a congratulation letter, congratulations to British, hats up to you, you have defeated Sikh force, you have invaded Punjab. This was the attitude of this man. Then 1857, the Great War of Indian Independence. People call it as First War of Indian Independence. According to me, in my understanding, it was only a Second War of Indian Independence, because First War of Indian Independence took place in Karnataka at Srirangapatna in the year 1799. That was the first war. This is second war, the greatest war. All kings, queens, representing all communities, they fought, they martyred Begum of Oudh. She went to Himalaya, she died. Jhansi Rani, Kittur Rani Chinnamma. Many such martyrs, but Wadiyars were hobnobbing, touching shoulders, rubbing shoulders with British, and whether this family deserves floral tribute. And when 1857, when our heroes were killed in hundreds, This man distributes sweet in the street of Mysore, enjoying the defeat of our own people. He celebrated the victory of British 1857. That was the fight of East India Company. Thereafter Queen of England comes, it becomes British India. So throughout East India Company rule, Wadiyar family were with East India Company, a business company which became a dacoity company. Then Queen of England, only looting, squandering, plundering the entire human and mineral resources. This is how British looted us all along. A dynasty which claims to be the rulers out and out supporting British, celebrating their success, and whether they deserve floral tribute, naming city on their name, naming colleges on their name, naming roads on their name. These are all very shocking. What the present government in the state is doing is,
So
they-
that's why I'm coming to that point. Then, if this is a fact, then all the Indians who is celebrating, the why these people are, when this is a fact, they are celebrating birthday.
the only reason, only reason, he was a Hindu king. That's it. Glorifying a community.
So lot of Hindu king was there also. Their genuine fight with the British. So you can celebrate that, no? Why select this type of people if what you are telling that is right?
These people more vocal to British than anybody else.
Okay.
Whether it was Saraboji or Tondaiman or Peshwas, Marathas, many were stooges of British. And you name who fought British. Of course, even Nizam of Hyderabad and Arcot Nawab, they were also traitors. Tiruvangur Maharaja, they were also traitors. Desais of Dharwad, they were also traitors. Then this Coorg Raja, he was also a traitor. See, traitors and martyrs, very few martyrs, most of them are traitors. Now we are celebrating traitors, we are forgetting the martyrs. That is the pity. The purpose of talk today is to project who are traitors. Now a villain became a hero, hero became a villain.
That is the fact of India now.
That's the irony.
Thank you so much, Balan sir, giving light on this birthday celebration yesterday happened. And many more things will come with Mr. Maran. He told कि he will bring history के बहुत सारी बातें, बहुत सारी जानकारी बहुत जल्द बालन सर के साथ सुनने को मिलेगा. Thank you so much for watching Indian Media Book.
Please subscribe to our channel to watch the Indian Media Book videos and press the bell icon for notifications.